What do you think, Billy? You think this is a winner?
We're a British American family on a mission to explore 50 states in 50 weeks. That is, until our truck broke down, leaving us stranded and at the mercy of kind strangers in Mount Vernon, Texas. Our truck was beyond repair, and we had to let it go for a fraction of what we paid for it. The saying, bad things come in threes, became personal. We found ourselves without running water and with 3 positive test results. Chris was negative, so he spent his isolation taking care of us and shopping for used trucks online. Were we able to find one?
Hi explorers!
Greetings from
Mount Vernon, Texas.
We are no longer on a mission to explore 50 states in 50 weeks, although it's so painful to say out loud. We had to give ourselves a little bit of grace, but we're still going to travel to every single state, and we're hoping to do so
within a year. Yes.
So we had to tweak it and we had to pivot. However, there was another goal that we refused to give up on, which is our budget. When we first started this adventure, we decided that we were not going to take on any new debts. We didn't want to take one out on our fifth wheel or our truck, so we paid them in full. And this left us in a little bit of a hard situation lately.
A little bit of a pickle.
We sold our truck that we paid $25,000 for $10,000, and that's even after putting repairs into it. So we lost $17,000 in 5 months, and that was really painful. But that left us with a $10,000 budget. So it was an option to either find a truck for $10,000, which in Michigan, in our experience, was absolutely 100% impossible. But we are still going to try, or take out a loan. So Chris did a lot of searching online.
Yes, I did. And there were a lot that I found, actually. But they were so quick to go. If you find one, you got to be on it because they're gone. That's how fast it is. But I found one that was about an hour away. So I turned to our good Samaritan friend turned good friend, Billy Jordan, to give me a ride down there and check it out. Hello, how you doing? Good. Good.
That's it.
All right.
Look in the bag everywhere in this truck.
It looks very clean in here.
It's clean underneath there. Got it in 04 and I got it back in 05. You got it both is right. Yeah.
Check the transmission fluid.
All right, well that's good. I have 10 grand cash in my pocket right now, so I was hoping you'd take 10.
You got $500 in loan? We'll take 10, 250.
Okay. Let me see if I can draw money out of this bank with my card.
I'll be able to give you 114, 2022 now.
Billy, this is a huge weight off my chest that we now have a truck.
I'm sure, Dad. Not have wheels in Texas is no fun.
It's a little bit of a downgrade, okay?
It's so little.
But down to gas, 2-wheel drive, but
I don't even know how
it's 2500. It's a Chevy. I have faith in it. Jeremy has faith in it, our friend. So I think it's going to be an awesome truck for us, and it's going to help us complete our adventures.
And it's part of our family now, so we had to name it, and there was really only one clear option. Look at that.
What do you think of Billy?
What the heck? What?
This is the name of our truck now. Kind of confusing.
Should we go tell him?
Our old truck was called Gandalf, so we decided to name our new truck as well. I want to show you the name of it. Come
So
here,
it's not going to be Gandalf
not
anymore.
Gandalf anymore.
Hold on one
This
second.
is the name of our new truck, right here. You like it?
Consider it an odd.
We want to remember Billy forever,
So you're coming with us.
We still have a few things to do to the truck to get ready for the road, and a few repairs on the fifth wheel, and we're exhausted from this past week. So we're going to be sticking in Texas for a little bit longer.
Hopefully just a little bit. But if anything that this trip has taught us, it's that it's restored our faith in humanity and the community, the people that reached out. We're just so appreciative of every single person that's helped us in this journey, and that's just even made it possible. It's really given us the strength to persevere and keep going, and we appreciate it so much. And we are so excited to spend this time planning, and we cannot wait to show you where we go next.
Back to planning. I love it.
See you next week.
Cheers.